Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own pen, marker, or pencil organizer. Or if there's any of your school supplies that fit with it, then go.
Then go, can't hold it back anymore. Then go, turn away, slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rain shine. The cold never bothered me anyway.
So since we won't be able to go to school this year, I think it will be easier for me to use my pens, markers, or pencils if I will just organize or put them on my desk rather than to store them in this pencil case and open the zippers one by one whenever I need my things in here. And basically, I just bought this pencil case so that I can organize my things in my bag and that I can bring them to school. And now, without further ado, let's do it! And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you got some ideas on how to make your own pen organizer that is unique or way different from the typical pen organizers. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog.